Okay, so tajuk hari kita dah masuk ke chapter 4. It's about function. Okay, so what is function? Okay, function, simple words about function is a relationship. Okay, it is a relationship between two objects or two sets. Okay, it is a relationship. Okay, all functions are relation or relationship, but not all relationships are function. Okay, it's not the other way around. Okay, all functions are a relationship. Okay, but not the other way around. Not all. Okay, so what is function? So what make function different from relationship? Okay, function is, it is a one-to-one relationship. Or it can be many-to-one relationship. Okay, so in a definition form, we can say that each input is assigned to exactly one output. Okay, so it means that each member in this set, for example A, is assigned to exactly one number in the output set. Okay, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, and this is PQR, for example. So we want to determine the relationship between A to B. So each value in A is assigned to exactly one value in B. For example, one-to-one relationship. So this is function. Okay, another example. This is not a function because one value in A is assigned to two value in B. So this is one too many. So this is not a function. Another example. Okay, so number 2 is not assigned to any value in B. So this is not a function because number 2 is not assigned to any value in B. The definition of function of each value in A must be assigned to exactly one value in B. Since number 2 is not assigned, so this is not a function. Another example. Okay, 1 and 2 share the same output, and 3 is assigned to Q. Okay, this is a function because each value in A is assigned to exactly one value in B. So this is many to 1. Okay, for example, 2 person may have the same name. Okay, 2 person may have the same name, or 2 person may share the same age. Okay, so this is considered as function. Okay, example in the real life situation. Let's say we have the name and weight of 250 students. In the foundation studies, they are recorded where all the names are unique, but there may be more than one student having the same weight. Okay, so we want to make a pair of data between name of student and also weight. Okay, so now the domain is a set of all the ending points. Starting points is called domain, and the set of all ending points are called range. Okay, so like I said just now, so we have a set. This is starting point, this is the ending point. So this all member in this set is called domain, and the ending points where each element in domain is assigned to is called range. Okay, so you may read this one and understand the relationship between domain and range for this type of real life situation. Okay, so now we have a look at the example given here. Okay, let's say we are given set A as 1, 2, 5, 6, and 8. And B is given by set 2 and 3. And R is defined. We must define what the relationship is between A and B. So here R is defined as relation from A to B. Okay, as defined as set of A, B. Okay, where A is element of A and A is divisible by B. So R is defined like this relationship. Okay, so now the question is find R. What is R? Okay, since R is defined as a set of pair of coordinate, is like a pair of coordinate where A is element in A and A is divisible by B. A must be divisible by B. So we need to find the relationship between A and B where A is divisible by B. So we start with number 2. Is 1 divisible by any element in B? So no. Number 2. Next, number 2. Is 2 divisible by any element in B? Yes. 2 is divisible by 2 in B. So we have the first pair is 2 and 2. Okay, next. 5. Is 5 divisible by any number in B? No. So we skip 5. Next, 6. Is 6 divisible by 2 and 3? Yes. So 6 divisible by 2 and 6 divisible by 3. So we have 6, 2. And next is 6, 3. And then number 8. 8 divisible by only 2. So the last one is 8 and 2. So now R is defined by this one. From this statement. Okay. Okay. What is B? be domain in, find domain of R. Okay, domain of R is all element at the starting point. So mean that all values of X starting point here. So domain of R is given by 2, 6, and 8. This is domain of R. Mean that the starting point in the pair of coordinate. Okay, range, what is range? Okay, range is all the ending points, mean the Y value here. So range of R is given by 2 and 3. Because we have only 2 and 3 here. Okay, next example 2, determine if the following equation are functions. Okay, so in the graph form, earlier I have mentioned that function is one-to-one relationship and many-to-one relationship. Okay, in a graph form, if we want to test whether the given function is a whether the given relationship is a function or not a function, we can test using vertical line. Okay, for example, if we have a graph, okay, let's say this is the graph. Okay, so vertical line means that any part on the graph area, if we draw a vertical line at any part, okay, draw any vertical line, we can only get one intercept. Okay, at any vertical line on the graph, we can only get one intercept. So that is a one-to-one relationship. So it is a function. Okay, for a graph, let's say we have this type of graph. Okay, so if we can find at any part on the graph, so this is very obvious. Okay, we make a vertical line here and we get two intercept. So if we can get two intercept at any vertical line test on the graph, so this is one-to-many relationship because 1x is assigned to 2 points on y. So this is one-to-many. Okay, if we can find that one-to-many relationship, this is not a function. Okay, as example, A, y equal to x squared plus 1. Okay, the graph of x squared plus 1, this is quadratic. Okay, the graph is like this. Okay, meaning that all vertical line tests on the graph is exactly one intercept. So meaning that on the equation form, any point that we place on x, we can only get 1 point for y. So this is one-to-one relationship, and this is a function. Okay, for B, y square equal to x plus 1. Okay, y square equal to x plus 1. Okay, using this equation, we try to find is there any value of x, is there any two value of x that give the same value for y. So that will be not a function. For this case, we can do like this is so this is plus minus. Okay, this is plus minus. For third, this is plus minus. Meaning that when x equal to 1, we have, let's say when x equal to, let's say we take 3. When x equal to 3, y is plus minus 4, which is plus minus 2. Y equal to 2 or minus 2. So one value of x give two value of y. So this is not a function. This is one-to-many relationship. Okay, in a graph form. So the graph form for y square equal to x plus 1 is like this. Okay, when x equal to 3, y equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. Vertical line test, we have two intersections. Okay, so this is 2, 1 value of x is assigned to 2 value of y. So this is one-to-many relationship. So therefore, y square equal to x plus 1, not a function. Okay, normally for a function, we write f where x is assigned to y. Okay, so this is how we write a function, is where x is assigned to y. So we need to define what f is. Okay, for example, let's say y is given in this equation. So when y is given in this relationship, so f of x is y. Okay, f where x is assigned to y. So therefore, f of x is 2x squared minus 5x. So this is how we write a function in equation form. This is a notation f, double colon here, f where x is assigned to y. When y is, let's say example, y is given in this equation. So f of x is y. So this is in the form of a function, standard form of a function. Okay, so f of x, now what is y? Y is given by this equation. Okay, next, 4.1.3 function evaluation. Okay, function evaluation is we need to find the value of y when x is given certain value. Example, given f of x minus x squared plus 6x minus 11. Okay, now find f minus 10. So we need to find the new value of f when x here is replaced by minus 10. Okay, so we have equal to x here is replaced by minus 10. Minus 10 square plus 6 minus 10 minus 11. Okay, solve this, simplify this. Answer is minus 171. Okay, next B, find ft. This one, f of x is given by this equation. So means that this is a function of x. When we want to find what is f of t, meaning that x here is replaced by t. So here also every x we find here is replaced by t. So we have minus t squared plus 6t minus 11. Simplify this, we get minus t squared plus 6t minus 11. Okay, next, find what is f of x minus 3. So again, x here replaced by x minus 3. This one also x here replaced by x minus 3. So we have minus x minus 3 square plus 6x minus 3 minus 11. Simplify this. So this one you need to expand. Plus 6x minus 11 minus 18 minus 11. Okay, solve this, simplify this. At the end you will get minus x squared plus 12x plus 12x